Hey everybody, just wanted to make a short video to show you my new ukulele that I just got. I'm not going to do a traditional open box video. I went ahead and cheated and opened it up about 5 minutes ago and tuned it up so that way we're ready to roll and stuff like that. So this might be a little hint about what kind of ukulele I might have gotten. So without further ado, here it is. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Hopefully the light does it justice, but it is really pretty. It's green. I think the official thing is Brooklyn Green Archtop Tenor Kala ukulele with F-hole shapes in the front. Pretty cool, right? I went ahead and tuned it up. Yep, still sounds pretty in tune. I'm sure it's got a stretch. Probably got to stretch just a tad before I use it in a live performance. I think my next one is on Friday, so hopefully I'll practice with the next few days, stretch out the strings, and I'll be ready to roll. So be looking out for a video of me using this live. And so yeah, I'm so excited. So it's a Kala. So how did I come upon this? I am going to be part of a festival in Clearwater, Florida in April. It's April 14th and 15th. I'm going to teach and I'm going to help lead some group strum things. And there's lots of street performances going on. So hopefully I'll get involved in that. Let me give you the lowdown. Here's the official name of it, the Ukulele Festival in the District.com. So go there and you'll get all the real information there. It's put on by T-Bus, Tampa Bay Ukulele Society. So this will be the first time I've ever been a part of one of their official events. So that's going to be awesome. Jim Bailoff is going to be there. He's going to perform, but he's also teaching a songwriting class. The Apple Butter Express and Cigar Box Band is going to be performing. Check them out on YouTube. Phenomenal if you haven't checked them out before. The Barn Kickers will be there. Jay Nunez is going to be there. Moondog, Pineapple Scruffs, Tom Hood and the Tropical Suns. Like I said, Sue Glora is going to be there doing group strums. They're going to have other workshops going on. I'll be teaching a workshop on how to play Moon Dance by Van Morrison with one finger. Seriously, Kirk? Seriously, one finger. It'll be great. So it's good for any level, confident, beginner, and beyond. They're also going to have true beginner classes also. So if you know anybody, you have any friends and family that might be interested in the Clearwater area, send them our way. I think the concerts are going to be public. So bring everybody. It'll just be a really good time. All right, so so Kala is one of the sponsors of theirs. So because I'm part of the festival, they sent me a ukulele, and they let me choose out of a few. And I just thought this looked so sweet and so different than anything else that I have. I do have a couple of Kalas. I have a Kala 8-string and I have a Kala bass, but this will be my first Kala tenor 4-string, and it's definitely my first with the F shape holes, and it's pretty and it sounds good. I don't know if you can tell on the audio there, but it just resonates forever, so it's awesome. So just to give you a little more information about this, just in case you like this, they have a couple of different colors. I just happen to pick the Brooklyn Green, but it's a mahogany top, mahogany back and sides, mahogany neck. It's metallic satin. The fretboard is rosewood. It comes with tuner and electronics, so you can plug in. I don't know if there's anything else you guys need to know about it, but it is pretty and it's really light too. Even with the electronics, it's really light. They also sent me some backup strings and this cool shirt, as well as this really nicely padded bag carrying case. So that's pretty awesome. So thank you, Kala. That's awesome. Thank you, Rob Wild, for inviting me to be a part of this Uke Fest in the district. And a lot of these people, some of them I met in person before, some of them have just been in Facebook friends with them for a while. Excuse me. But I'm really looking forward to meeting a whole bunch of new people, meeting people for the first time that I've been friends with for a while on Facebook and stuff, and watching everybody perform and going to the Jim Bailoff songwriting class. I'm really looking forward to that. So I hope you can make it, and it's going to be lots of fun. And I think they're still adding things and fine-tuning things. So go to ukulelefestinthedistrict.com or the T-Bus, Tampa Bay Ukulele Society pages, and you can get more updated information there. So we'll see you soon. Thanks so much, Kala. Thanks so much, T-Bus. See you soon.